Just, here we go.
I can't get on.
Wait. Isn't this the thing where you... Oh, wait. That's not like the choosing.
Oh, I love this.
What is going on?
I love this.
Are we making a star?
Time
Wait.
to ride.
Friend star? What's a friend star?
Fly it. Go kick people with my body.
And become a... Do you remember how to become a black hole and shoot ball
I don't
trees?
remember any of my moves.
Then just make sure to remember them, because your black hole will be useful here.
I'm pretty sure I know my black hole.
We'll try it out now.
I've got my black hole. Wait, that's my teleport. That's my teleport.
Become black hole. Please become black hole. I'm not going to move until you're a black hole. There you go.
That's my black hole.
Oh, that's so disturbing. Still,
Oh, and I can grab bombs.
to this day. Oh, yeah. Do you remember how to do spike tree thing, where you like make trees start
I'm
spiking?
pretty sure that.
Ah, I'm being chased. Is that gonna actually give a beetle ability? Oh, that thing actually. Okay, fine. Let's go. This level's weird. Ow! I didn't think that I might have to like wait this entire time. What's a Mark Simoning magician? Wait. Wait a second, people. Please wait. Hey, I'm the festival man. Mr. Festival here. You gotta admit that beetles. Stop beetling. There we go. Food. Food. We all like food. Everybody likes food. Where are you?
I'm flying and going.
I don't understand the lore behind Mark's being a good guy in this game. What's up with that? Mark's with Wester. We already got a Wester. Oh, okay. You just start throwing balls everywhere. Okay. Just here we go.
I can't get on.
Wait. Isn't this the thing where you? Oh wait, that's not like the choosing.
Oh, I love this.
What is going on?
I love this.
Are we making a star?
Time
Wait.
to ride.
Friend star? What's a friend star?
Fly it. Hit X.
I'm a shoot him. It's a.
Hit X.
What's X do?
I'm the leader. Make me
Okay.
the leader. Hit X again, so I can be the leader.
What do you do? Can you what do you shoot?
Nothing.
You can't shoot?
Oh, I can't.
So you just shoot normal stuff. What does she shoot? Just normal stuff. I think some of guys shoot. Wait, whoa!
Let me be the leader.
Simon, I've never been on a friend star before. You have been on friend stars before.
I've beaten this game.
Yeah, I know you've beaten this game before, and that's why I want to be the one who leaders the friend star.
Yeah.
And also that the dash attack is so much cooler than Landia. This is cooler than Landia. This might be cooler than the jet mode. Honestly, I'm not fully sure. This might be cooler than jet mode.
We're just training for the final boss. Literally just training for the final boss.
Oh, well,
You're Mark.
that's a bit upsetting, as I really wanted to save my festival for the final thing. But honestly, look at this. Look at me. I'm shooting electric missiles. And look at this. Rah! Wait, we're already here?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be able to face Meta Knight in this? And don't answer me, Simon, because I'm pretty sure I won't.
Mason, you didn't get those.
I knew. I tried getting them. Didn't work. I don't care. Oh. Wait, none of us are.
Hey, I'm the leader.
Oh. Okay,
Don't hit
it's
X
just
again.
showing that.
Ow. Oh, we need ice. We need ice.
Why don't we kill Ice first? Here. Wait. How do I? Wait a
No, you
second.
can target.
I can only target it in a small circle. Oh wait, I see. I understand. I can launch as well. Wait, shoot it! You literally.
I can't get over it.
Well, go back. Look, he's here again. Let me do it. Get the stuff. Get the thing. That's all. No, do it. It's the only way to go on.
You could have just made someone else be the leader.
Well, I didn't realize that. Oh, look. Simon. I don't want to be this guy either, but look at this. Dude, actually look at this. Like, what am I doing? What is this? Simon. Simon, look at what you're doing. You're the one shooting ice bullets. Ah, Simon, freeze them all.
Okay.
There, I guess that
Shoot
worked.
that guy.
We don't need him.
I'll
We don't need her.
the kid. You drive. I'll be the cannon.
There we go, there we go.
I wish I could make it kind of really fun battle.
Yeah, this might have kind of ruined it.
Yes. Just restart the level.
I'm not sure about that. I feel like we've been going on for too long. Here we go.
Restart the level. How do you do that?
Fine. This is just wasting our time, though, you know. And you realize that. I really shouldn't have pressed that button.
Hey, Nathan. Go to Dream Festival.
Oh, I can't even do it.
Oh.
We literally did that for no reason. Hi, Dribbly. This is it.
We're back to the
Battle cry!
my
For
head
Planet
was
Pop
falling
Star!
off.
Your head's falling off? Should we be worried about that?
No! Here we are. Hi!
Ah! Hey, why did it start break? Like, what just happened?
Okay.
Here we go, here we go. This might be nice, this might be nice. Here you go.
Wyatt. We still went all over.
So, let's
How
see.
do I join? Let me join.
Make friends with friend hearts.
Big
What do
BB.
you want me to be?
No, Big BB.
Cutter. I think all of these characters that we have are great. Vidra. Wait, don't do it yet. Is there gonna be more enemies? Wait, let's see.
No.
There are, yes.
There is.
Wait, don't kill him, don't kill him!
Oh,
Is that
Nathan,
it?
up! Come to me. I don't want you. I want this.
Oh wait, I'll just have sword at the fight, so that's fine. I don't want you. Let's go fight some Meta Knight, guys.
I'll give you fire sword. Nathan. Nathan, no, I can be sword.
I want to be sword.
God dang it.
Oh, the music is so good. Don't turn it off.
Nathan, hold up. Hold up.
Up. Wait, I don't want to. Okay, fine. I'll be sword.
Fire sword!
Okay. I want to be able to hear the music. I want to be able to hear the music. Stop it. You're not even doing anything. You're just pressing one button. Wait, we got one for each of us. Let's go. Dude, did we just clash or something? What? I don't. There's people in the sky. There's Meta Knights in the sky. I don't know if flying's gonna be the safest option. Which is the real one? Oh, become a giant Kabu. Where did they go? Oh, there they go. I remember this from Forgotten Land. I do not like this.
Not gonna be safe. Yeah, you have to stay right here. Okay, now we're gonna break some.
Oh no.
Here we go.
No, take it. Take all the damage.
Oh God, I'm about to be dead.
I think that was the real one there.
We're all
I got
about
the sword
to be
stuck.
We're
Can
all
this guy
about-
be upper caliber? I'm wondering. And
Yeah.
wait, are we about to die? Like, dude, we're about to die to Meta Knight. Oh no.
We almost got him though.
What's going on? Ah! Did he just? What is he doing to Vividra? What is he doing to Vividra?
I got him.
Oh, wow! Like that
Got him.
like thing that he was doing to Vividra was like really intense. Like I didn't. Not like that. Oh, I should have made him as our dream friend. Like I did with DDD.
Oh yeah, I've done that before. I forgot about that.
Don't run away, flying heart.
We're chasing after you. What's happening?
Actually, what is going on?
Oh yeah. This is
Wait.
happening.
Don't tell me what's going on, because I don't know. What is that? It's big.
Oh,
it's like the
place
size,
where we fight.
almost like size of Popstar. Like, I hope that nobody was right there
It's a place
when
where
that
we
landed.
fight. Some fun. Some fun fighters.
Okay. It is flying to that thing's eye.
It's
This
fun.
is really unsettling.
It's fun.
Onward!